Tagalog good ways of describing people. Ang bait mo naman. You're so kind. Ang ganda ng boses mo. Your voice is beautiful. Napakalambing mo. You're very loving. Maaasahan ka talaga. You're such a reliable person. Nakakatuwa ka. You are funny. Maganda ka, manamit. You dress up nicely. Mas matangkad ka pa sa akin. You're taller than me. Ang lambot ng kamay mo. Your hand is so soft. Mahaba ang mga pilik mata mo. You have long eyelashes. Kulot ang buhok ko. My hair is curly. Madali siyang kausap. He or she is easy to talk to. Pala kaibigan siya. He or she is friendly. Bagay sa'yo ang jacket na yan. That jacket looks nice on you. Mahusay kang kaibigan. You're an awesome friend. Maganda ang iyong ngiti. Your smile is beautiful. Ang bango mo. You smell so good. Ang talino mo. You are so smart. Ang sexy mo. You are so sexy. Ang ganda ng mga mata mo. Your eyes are beautiful. Ang astig mo pumorma. You look cool. Sumi-sexy ka yata. You're getting sexier every day. Ang galing mo. You're awesome. Ipagpatuloy mo yan. Keep it up. Turuan mo naman ako. Please teach me. Mahusay kang magtrabaho. You did an excellent job. Ang galing mo talaga magpatawa. You really have a great sense of humor. Believe talaga ako sa'yo. I'm really amazed with you. Hinahangaan kita. I admire you. Ang ganda mo naman. You look great.